The growing for mechanical keyboards mirrors a similar trend in outdoor gear, where enthusiasts crave performance, comfort, and quality. Whether it's tactile feedback or smooth skating, users want products that feel responsive and last. This guide evaluates the best outdoor roller skates by examining build quality, fit, wheel performance, versatility, and value, making sure you find the perfect pair for your outdoor adventures. Bont Parkstar Siren Red Suede Professional Roller Skates. The Bont Parkstar Siren Red Suede skates are a top-tier option for serious skaters who love park, ramp, or street action. Featuring a high-quality suede leather boot and lightweight fiberglass base, these skates provide superior control and ankle support. The Street Flow wheels are made for outdoor terrain, offering grip and durability for skating bowls or pavement. Designed for both indoor and outdoor performance. Shore Grip Boardwalk Unisex Outdoor Roller Skates. If you love the vintage roller disco vibe, the Shore Grip Boardwalk skates deliver in both style and performance. These skates feature a suede leather boot in retro colors, along with high-rebound 78A wheels, ideal for absorbing cracks and bumps on sidewalks and boardwalks. The sturdy aluminum trucks and ABEC 3 bearings offer smooth rolling and stability for beginners and seasoned riders. Cosmoid High Performance Adult Inline Skates. The Cosmoid High Performance Inline Skates bring speed and precision to your skating game. Built with hard shell support, a breathable liner, and durable 82A wheels, these skates are made for fast-paced outdoor skating or fitness routines. The aluminum frame provides excellent energy transfer for a smooth, stable ride, and the adjustable closure system ensures a snug, secure fit.
List 4. Chicago Men's Premium Leather Rink Roller Skate Classic Black. The Chicago Premium Leather Rink skates offer a timeless design with a durable edge. These black quad skates feature leather-lined boots and 60mm urethane wheels, which make them suitable for both indoor rinks and smooth outdoor pavement. The aluminum base plate ensures strength, while the adjustable truck and chassis provide customized turning ability. Classic in both style and function, these are perfect for skaters who appreciate a traditional look without compromising performance. The padded ankle collar adds comfort for extended wear.
List number 5. 2PM Sports Vinyl Girls Adjustable Flashing Inline Skates. The 2PM Sports Vinyl Inline Skates are built for fun, style, and growing feet. These skates are adjustable across 4 shoe sizes, making them a great long-term pick for girls ages 5+. All the wheels light up with colorful LEDs that don't require batteries, adding a magical touch to evening skates. With a triple closure system, buckle, strap, and lace, they provide secure support.